Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Lamborghini Huracan with paper. To begin, gather all your necessary supplies. You will need sturdy paper, such as cardstock, to ensure your model is strong and holds its shape well. Also, have a good pair of scissors, some craft glue, and a printer ready. Printing a reliable template is crucial for accurate cuts and folds, setting a solid foundation for your impressive paper car. Now, let's move on to constructing the main body. Take your printed template and carefully cut out each piece. Precision here is key for a professional-looking model. Next, fold along all the designated lines. Using a ruler can help you achieve crisp, straight folds, which are essential for the sleek lines of a Lamborghini. Make sure every fold is sharp and accurate before proceeding. With the main body pieces folded, it is time to start assembling. Apply craft glue to the tabs and securely join the main body sections. Then, carefully attach the smaller components, such as the roof and the distinct side panels, ensuring they align perfectly. Finally, construct the four wheels according to your template and firmly affix them to the chassis, giving your Huracan its stance. For the final touches, add intricate details to bring your Lamborghini Huracan to life. Carefully attach the headlights, taillights, and windows, paying attention to their placement. If any areas feel less sturdy, reinforce them with a small amount of extra glue for added durability. Once complete, your impressive paper Lamborghini Huracan is ready to be displayed and admired by everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.